Achema wahama o ajo Emma wakwaba ebaje Ghana television eso sene da woni me eye no na otenase ehwe me no meda wase Nyankopon enhyira sa Emma me enti se wo a o hwe mi ene de di kan dia na wo be subscribe wo be like wo be share na wa comment enso ede ama me na ayefefefe se de wo be share na wo nua bi nso ebenya bi na ono nso ate ensamo ahodo a etwa eguo ewo yeme yimu empanifo ase etuo enyachiginafo a ena eto abaso ba nso ena ma paye enunti ayade a me was sponsors our mo time echi me was glitter and glow cosmetics our mo de enkun papa nsamna papa perfumes ahodo a chese bibia wo de ka ni pedua na etimi esiesie ni pedua no ma ne ye hyepe na esan enya ahode no eno ene glitter and glow cosmetics sa enso na Janelle organic foods enso edi nuane papa abedwa so nkonkonte sam gari apapransa rere akatoa chese bibia efa aduane ho mi kontomre ni nyina Janelle organic foods edi bi aba edwa so fa number no ewo screen no ase na afi frɛ na baabi a wo bia no yemfa ebi emre ewo ho no tena tete bar center for enso say to anamonwe na bra o mo ahye na behwehwe uni pedua ni mu na nia atochema na ase nia enkoye bia no omo entimi emwa entoto ne kama pa emfama ma mentwa me hu tew na menyima boafo nkrato emra
everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe Nana Brown anase Mr Santiago eba landing so a contact mami wusia Helena baby a wo bia no ye di bi bebro bibia wo ho wache powder crown so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye glit and glow
meda wasesa oje bre etwen mi the flight no ene nia ewomu na ye tu fan dia na ye kwa akopie mu ewo Ghana abrantie enwumtoni owura Soni Badu na kache na ye the flight no akwakosie na Soni Badu ede ensembi atudwa na nia oka eye abasobo a wode ema eye Black Sheriff ewo eye abasobo di awaje Ghana Music Awards the media course no chemu ana Black Sheriff etumi eje eye Artist of the Year award no ono ena ekoma no ena Soni Badu editing kwasem ekoma na wo ka se ade ne die enipa bebre ebe susu se nanka enipa bebre susu se aba wa Piesie Esther ena nanka esese wonya na owura Soni Badu echiremu a Piesie Esther wa bo modern pa o ka so Piesie enya ade na oboa Piesie ayade pa na emom blacko Black Sheriff enso etimi abo modern pa eno ti se kasa obi a ofata se woje a na Black Sheriff je a woje ye no eyade a ese no na efata no yenkona enkotie se de Soni Badu edensem no to dwafai
the rift between the gospel fraternity and the secular music industry and all that. Your stance on that? Table of Men and the pitch to make sure.
I think it was an interesting rift, but who won it this year?
Black Sheriff.
You see, I keep it real. Piesie did excellent, but it was good. Black Sheriff won it. Again, no one should twist it. You know.
Once you talk on the ego.
But let's that's why it be live for here. So everything I talk, I feel bring my portion. This way I talk.
Okay.
You got it. So Piesie did excellent, but for the industry, Black Sheriff is like I can sit down and say, okay, why idea? But why? Black Sheriff just received an award in
the US. Yes,
that's what Ghana wants.
Yeah.
If I'm part of the entertainment fraternity, everybody project that guy. That's what Nigerians do.
Yeah.
Enti a good. Unsomo ODURO no. Ebebusa oye hwan hesibe me we artist of the year. That is so important. Now when we knew Krumwa, ube we her.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
So he has everything it takes to take Ghana to that place. At this moment. And let's not think the Stone Boys and the Sarkodie and all of that, they didn't do nothing. As a building, blockness is not as important as the block in the middle. We all built it.
Yeah.
It is a Black Sheriff time nation or no better Nasra. And just as Sarkodie and Yebibi. And just a way and Yebibi. He took inspiration from them. He watched their mistakes and he got better. So we have to come as a collective team to say, Charlie, where this guy is going, let's all look, he was with Benner Boy. That's strange. How many Nigerians do you see feature Ghanaians.
Yeah.
Some of them come and chill with them, run around with them, but they don't bring them to their stage, right? Yeah. And Benner calls Black Sherif. Benner's crowd has now seen. So we have to be deliberate. If I was an entertainment minister, I'd look out for this guy and say, what do we need to do to project him in this season? Maybe another season, a bit will be for cry. Or be out on a time. And then media yem famano. Or China yem fama way. So said the it's a Ghana agenda. It's not an individualistic agenda. It's a Ghana. If I was an entertainment minister,
you look at it
I'm
from
gonna put so much into him because he has dear boy something is working at and just some. Maybe he wants to be weirdly recognized, and it's working.
Yeah.
So once
He's been able to build an identity.
Once you understand the entertainment, we pray for long life for him. Keep projecting Ghana because hey, Black Sherif, where is he from? He's from
Ghana.
Absolutely. Who wins? Ghana wins.
Ghana wins.
Right? It's not individual.
This is Hits.
Onso wakwa share na wetie bi said de okan no onso wetume atibi meda wase sa oje ebre na oneme etena dwumadie eso medo asi ahanom me sponsors Glitter and Glow Cosmetics Kinaata Teba Center na Nail Organic Foods na omo time echi Edmond Opoku Sechi Fockenberg me producer midin de efia befi ye wono da sene.
Oh, Doc. Yes, I want to know why you did. We must why she after you are not yama. No, say the young kukru. So your stomach was up. Said the young heartburn. So I be count. Let them cry. The meaning said if you be forcing I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria when the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac. Ena tinatet malake. Fama no nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at Tumac. I'm on my free.
Kinaata Malake, Ayama Ubia when malaria fever, and a Kinaata Tomac mixture, Ayama Ubia when heartburn, indigestion, and an yem Ayanea. Kinaata Drui, FD, I should magia to say a year.